Good morning, students of class 10. And in the continuation of doing the arithmetic progression, today we will know some important formula. Let us see what are those formulas. So here is the formula for finding the nth term of NAP. It is represented by AN, and AN equal to A plus N minus 1 in the bracket into D, where D is the common difference and A is the first term, the value of the first term. So this is the formula. Nth term of an AP, A plus N minus 1 into D. Nth term of an AP is represented by the symbol AN. Okay. And in some books, somewhere, you will also see that in place of AN, it is TN. So it doesn't matter. Some books it is written TN, in some books it is written AN, but the formula is this A plus N minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference, as I told you. Now, how will you find the sum of n terms? If the given sequence or the progression is in the AP, and if you want to sum all those given terms, what will be the value of the sum? The sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn, symbol is Sn, Sn equal to n upon 2 inside the bracket into A plus L. So where L is the last term, you know very well what is L. If there are n terms, so the nth term is the last term, means An equal to L. If there are n terms in a AP, so nth term is the last term. So it means nth term, symbol of nth term is An. It means An equal to L. So in this formula where L is the value of the last term, here you have to put the value of first term plus last term and the number of terms divided by n is the number of terms. How many terms are there? 6 terms, 7 terms. Up to how many terms you want to find the sum? 10 terms, 20 terms, etc. And also this Sn equal to, now change this formula in other form. Sn equal to n upon 2. Here A is there, but for L is the nth term. So nth term is here. This is your L, last term. And for last term, the value is here. So when you will put this expression here, what will this A plus A? It will become 2A. And this n minus 1 into D, so it is here n minus 1 into D. This is all about the formulas. Now we will solve the sum. Let us see. Here, first of all, we will do the sum number 1. Okay. So you see your book, sum number 1, fourth sum of sum number 1. There are so many sums. So here given the amount of money in first year equal to rupees 10,000. It is given in the question. When the person is depositing the money, it is 10,000 in the bank. Means the principal amount or the amount of the first year, that is the principal amount that is the 10,000 it is given. So after this 1 year, how much the amount will be? So amount will be, here is the formula, P1 plus R by 100 to the power. For 1 year it will be 1, power is 1, n equal to 1 year power. But I have not written here because you know it is understood. So the value of n means number of years, it is 1 year. So 1 year means here 1 is hidden. So 1, you take the LCM this way, 100 plus 8, it will be in numerator 108 and in denominator it is 100. So when this 20 will be cancelled by this 20 of 10,000. So you will get only 100. 100 multiplied by 108, you will get this much. So after 1 year, this will be your amount, 10,800, because it is also including the interest. So principal was 10,000 and then it will become after 1 year 10,000 800. So let us see what will be in the second year. After second year, what will be the amount after second year? Let us. Amount of money in first year, second year, in third year. E 1 plus R by 100. Here it is 2. So this is so here it is 1 plus 8 upon 100 whole to the power 2. So the amount of money in third year. This is now for this whole square. I will write it twice. So it is 11,664 because this 202040 cancelled by this all these 40. Yes. So when you will multiply this 108 with this 108, it will become 11,664. Here the amounts are here the amounts are 10,000, 10,800, then 11,664, and so on. But we see that their common difference is not same because when we will subtract this from this, first term from second and second term from third, we will not get the same common difference. So this is not in AP. Okay? Because common difference is not same. It is not equal. 10,800 minus 10,000 is not equal to 11,664 minus 10,800. Hence, the list is not in AP. So, this is the required answer. Okay. Now this, your assignment is exercise 5.1. So, this is your assignment, exercise 5.1. Please do it, complete it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.